Okay, hey people, this is the same type of lock as I picked in my last video, SCHLAGE SC1, another key that I made. There's that bitting. Now, this one has a short shackle, but gut-wise, it's the same lock. I'm going to be using my extended play rigid torque wrench. It's got a twist right there, so the flat part where your thumb is, you don't get blisters or sore thumbs.
This could be your $100,000 day. And it doesn't matter if you're a world leader or a cheerleader. If you live in a penthouse or mom's house. If you have a trust fund or trust issues. McDonald's is serving up chances at $100,000 prizes, and we all have a chance to win. Whether you're looking at early retirement or retiring early. Monopoly at McDonald's. It's anybody's game to win.
Molly Hartley's senior year was a chance to start over.
Hey, welcome back.
Thanks.
You're better now, right?
And leave the past behind her.
We're not going to let anything happen to you.
But she's about to discover
What the hell are you doing here? I know what you are.
it's not the past she needs to feel. It's what waits for her
She's expecting you to believe that your soul belongs to the devil.
when she turns 18.
I can see.
There we have it.
The haunting of Molly Hartley.
Now, that's picked backwards, so I have to spin the plug.
No, we're forming a vigilante group.
So I'll give it a shot here.
Radiant cool, crazy nightmare, Zen, New Jersey, nowhere. Put this in your pipe and smoke it.
Oh no, brown bureaucrats.
And there we go, the plug is spun. And bammo, there you go. So that's the SCHLAGE SC1. I believe this is an older lock before they got bought out by Ingersoll and Stanley and all those guys. So yeah, there it is. Another one bites the dust with the HPC plug spinner, short hook, and my extended play tension wrench, and the key I made myself. So rate it if you enjoyed that, and I'll keep them coming. Peace as always. Have fun. Don't pick illegally. And get your picking tools from uklockpickers.co.uk.